you can pick it up tonight.
What's in there? Keep pulling. Oh. What's inside? What is it? You want help? Okay. Let's open it up. Come here. You gonna sit in my lap while Mom opens it up? Alright. There it goes. You pull it. Yay! Open the box. What is it? Ooh, shirts for Aspen.
Yay!
Pretty, that's right.
Pretty girl.
Is it pretty? Pretty, that's
Exactly.
right.
Nice job.